What's up, gang? This is part 3 or 4 of getting the Z back on the road. Today, parts that we're installing on the Z are going to be these PBM rear lower control arms. Upper control arms. Let me see if I can focus. Oh, there we go. New lens, so I'm a little new to it, but yeah. These are the new rear upper control arms. And I'm gonna try to put these on to get this back on the road hopefully soon. Hopefully this week actually. So the Z's still on jacks. I haven't really messed with it for the past couple of days. I've been waiting for these parts to come in. Hopefully once now with this, I could run it, but I still need to I'm still waiting on the axles to come in. So hopefully once the axles come in, I install those real quick. Cause I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put these on right now. And then, oh my bad, guys. I'm a little sick. It's fucking cold outside. Remember I was complaining about how hot it was? It's too damn cold out here. Look, hasn't been no sun in weeks. It's crazy out here. It's Bakersfield for y'all. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna just take everything off and put it on. So hopefully, whenever I get the axles, I just slap them right in, and then that'll be it. So yeah, let's put these shits on. I want to start driving this Z. Let's see how the film is gonna look when I slap these on. So I'm gonna show you guys right now when I'm done. Before I put them on, let me show you guys the good ass quality this is. And even the bag is good quality. I can't even rip it. Oh, these things weigh a ton. Bro, these are solid AF. PBM is the way to go, guys. I'm telling y'all. I mean, maybe I'm late to the fucking train or something, but this is actually fucking heavy duty, bro. I would trust my life with this right here. I would go super camber, negative 100 degrees if it's a PBM part. If PBM made a part that made your car 100 degrees camber, I rock it. Because this thing feels like the weight of a bike, bro. I think my bike is heavier than this. And this thing is like a tank. Just like the camber arms, the uppers, tank, bro. Look at the crispy ass welds on this, bro. Oof. Damn, this thing. Alright, let's put this on. Enough talking. Let's put this shit on. I'm gonna show you guys what I need to do to put it on. Alright, so to remove the control arm for the rear, those are 17s, I believe. That one too. The one up there too. I'm gonna have to remove this camber arm, traction arm, and then the axle. I think it's just to pull it. I don't need to take the axle out. I mean, I fucking should, cause look at that motherfucker. This one's worse than the other side, I believe. You can even see the other side from right here. Damn, cooked. But I'm waiting on those to come in to replace them. And then also, I already took this off. It wasn't even as hard as people were saying it was. It was a size 32. Just came out real quick. Dub City. So I'm gonna get to this, and then I'm gonna compare them side to side to see the difference. But I did notice my shit do be rubbing, so I need to make sure that when I do this, it's not like crazy. You know, like hitting my wheels hitting. So it's probably not gonna be a first try thing either. So pray for me, y'all. It's gonna be a little tough one for me. Just like that, this shit is off. This shit was too easy, man. Hell easy. Nah, that shit was kind of tough. I'm not even gonna lie. I had to take out the axle. Well, I took it off anyways because obviously this is done for. It's just fried, so I'm not even gonna mess with that or put the axle back on. I'm gonna just leave it like that until I get the new ones, which should be coming in this week sometime. But yeah, man, I needed to use that. I needed to use the extension over there, the fucking power tools, everything, man. These two just to get that out. But man, it's worth it though. It's not even bad. It's pretty good condition. $100 to me up each. Nah, I'm kidding. So that's pretty much the difference. It's gonna give me this much of a clearance or whatever camber adjustment, and that's all the way slammed too, or fucking twerked, whatever. Now to put this in, not the axle, leaving the axle because I ain't gonna put it back in and just take it out. But man, these axles are so fucking easy to install. God damn, that shit was so easy, bro. Easiest ever, easier than the Z. I mean the Civic, the fuck up. But yeah, fuck, bro. Probably gonna do one side today. It's like 4 p.m. but look how nasty it looks outside. Truck. But yeah, it gets dark too early here now, so probably finish this side and then work on the other side tomorrow. Let's get it. Nah, but look at the difference though. Damn, this shit looks so clean. PBM is the new motion for reals. This shit is tough. I fuck with it. Alright, put everything back on. Everything on the bottom is good to go. It'll take a minute, but it's done. Man, I probably should have never rolled the fenders. Look at that gap now. I don't want to put a spacer either. Or no, I probably will actually, because it's almost gonna hit the. You see the strut, or can you see? It's right there, but the wheel's almost hitting the strut, so maybe I will put a little bit of camber in it, or a spacer. Because if I run more camber, I'm gonna need a spacer for sure. But AGGs, I think I'm gonna be able to drive now. With this fat ass wheel in there. I want to run more camber though. But I fuck with it though. Fuck with it heavy. Alright. Just need to finish this side. Well, I still need to tweak this out a little more. And after that, it should be good. The toe is a little off, but not too bad as before. It's taking a lot longer for me to finish because I've been watching football. Let's go. Get this shit on the road. Alright, I got both of the busted ass axles out. Look how I was riding, bro. That's crazy. Let me see if I can get a better focus. These things were cooked. I bet you I was riding like that for like a minute too. I didn't even know. All I heard was a clacking noise, but I thought it was just my fitment or something, but figured out the problem. Anyways, this side's done, everything's good, tight and good to go. Now I just need to finish this side. I took everything out besides the control arm. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. It's already late, I'm tired. Been out here since like 9 a.m. It's already 6. It's fucking cold outside. Hey, let me know if y'all think I should bring back the sticker right here. The big leagues. I think it's big. One for the big leagues. But yeah, whew, man, hopefully when I'm done, I can go take it to the wash, get some pictures of the new fitment, the new wheels. I've not even driven it at all since I've got these wheels. I'll probably mess with the fitment a little bit too. But other than that, see you guys tomorrow. Well, tomorrow for me, 5 minutes for y'all. 5 seconds. Alright, chat. Whew. Been a long day. Alright, chat, I just finished. Today is day 6 or 7, I don't know. Hey, 6, 7. But anyways, look how nice it looks now. Today is like fucking 70 degrees today. 75 maybe, 80 I think so, but it's fucking hot today. But look, pretty much done with the whip. I lowered one side already. Let's lower this side real quick and let's see how it looks. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Whew. Finally, after weeks, these come off. Out. Neato. I gotta put this 4x4 right here. Now I can't take the jack out. Damn. I could tell the toe was a little off, not too bad. Not how it was before where it was like, bam, over here, but it's Not too bad. I mean, I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Maybe for another day. Let me see this one. Damn, I think this one might be. Oh, this one might be straight on point. Damn, it looks good though. I didn't think this day would ever come. Dang, dude, I'm tucking too hard. I should have never rolled the fenders to keep it a buck with y'all. I should have just left them. I'm probably going on the spacer now for sure. For sure, skis. Feels good though. They're both sides are negative 15 camber. I want to run a little bit more in the front. But hey, they don't look too bad. I'm gonna keep it a butt. That looks good. Let's go for a test drive. Let's test drive this shit. Let's see how good it drives. See you guys in a bit. I was gonna take it out for a test drive, but as you guys saw in that part right there, the wheel well is too cambered, so or it's too wide and it's too cambered, I guess, and it's hitting the part of not the axle, but the coils, dude. I heard that. I was gonna test drive it and maybe get some rollers for y'all, but nah, I think I'm gonna either run the spacer or take a little camber off because it is at negative 15, but I still got so much clearance. Watch. My whole hand fits in there. So I don't know, maybe I might just take some off or run the spacer, I guess, but hey, at least I gotta take it out the garage and it got stuck, but it is what it is. I'll fix this too, so I'll probably have to camber it more to get that fitting good. But I think I'm gonna get some angle kit for this. Let me know in the comment down below if you guys have any angle kits and if it helps y'all camber a little more and give you guys better clearance. Oh, other than that, I think we're done here. Got it back on the road somewhat, but let's see if you can see it from right here. Oh, you can't see it. Nah, you can't. Alright guys, this is it right here. We're out. Next thing I think we're gonna do though is probably put those seats on. I just have them chilling in here and I want to get rid of them. I want not rid of them, but I want to get them out of the garage to clean all this up. And once we're done with this, we're moving on to this one. Alright guys, peace. Thanks for all the love and support too. We out.